calling all thrill-seeking families. Are you prepared for an unforgettable water park adventure? Then let's kick off this fun-filled journey at Aquatica Orlando. Hit that subscribe button and join us for some epic water park adventures. Let's go. Here at Aquatica Orlando, getting ready to go on our first ride, KareKare family ride. But we have 5 people going on. We have Ethan, Anthony, Skylar, and Lorelai, and of course myself. You have been on this one?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so? Lorelai?
No, I don't think so.
And Ethan, this is your first time at Aquatica, isn't it? Okay. All right, so I've never been on this one, but it's a 5-person family ride, so it looks like it's gonna be a lot of fun. So we're at the top, and we waited about 40 minutes to get up here. We have SeaWorld right over here, that's Mako and Kraken, and then you've got Manta right over there. At the top of the world. You guys ready? Woo! We're good.
I totally don't like it.
Ready? I'm going backwards. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. No? No! Was that awesome? Was that awesome, Lorelai?
Oh!
Anthony?
We were so high up! Oh my goodness, that was amazing.
How was that, Skylar?
It scared me, it was so fun!
That was pretty cool. Next up, Roas Rapids. So if you're not a good swimmer, you are encouraged to wear a vest because this is not your typical lazy river. You actually get pushed around by rapids. Ready, Anthony?
Yeah.
Let's go. You ready? Here we go.
Ready. Go, 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 go.
Oh, hello. See, I can naturally float, so I really don't need a life vest. But look, this thing's moving. This ain't your lazy river, that's for sure. I get some cardio doing this. Oh, here we go! Oh yeah! Woo! Thankfully it's not too deep, so you can actually kind of run. It's not rough at all, it's a smooth bottom. I've never been on one of these type of attractions before. It's actually kind of fun. Oh, we got sprinkles! Sprinkles!
Hey, Dad. You got down the highway.
Whoa! I got all the rollers. It's like a wave pool. Is this the end of it? Oh, it's not the end, okay.
Guys, I'm developing ultimate motor transportation.
Oh, he's got a vest on. We're gonna go. Oh! Do not hang on, step that eyelid. Here we go! Did I pick you up? Sorry. Sorry, Skylar. Oh, there you are.
Why?
This is awesome. How do you like it, Lorelai? More rapid. Trying to hold on. It's not working. Blue entrance. Is that our entrance?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can get off there?
Yeah.
Okay. I got it, Anthony.
I'm going in hot.
You got it? You got it? You got it? Alright. Let's go. So that was a lot of fun. Definitely not for the weak swimmer. Of course, that's why they have those life vests. Those rapids are current, pretty intense. I was trying to like walk along the ground. Got a lot of cardio in doing that. Even though I could probably float, but a whole lot of fun. A lot to do here at Aquatica Orlando. Not like what we've done in Adventure Island, Tampa Bay, which if you want to see some things we've done at Adventure Island, Tampa Bay, see that link in the description as well as the upper right hand corner. And let's get on another attraction and ride. Before we go on another ride, we just wanted to let you know about this awesome feature they have here at the SeaWorld Entertainment Parks. You might be asking SeaWorld, but we're at Aquatica. Well, yes, because you can actually take your refillable cup from Aquatica, SeaWorld, Busch Gardens, or Adventure Island, which we have an Adventure Island cup here, bring it with you and get actually a nice discount on refilling your beverage. Here at Aquatica, it's $1.99 per refill, or you can do all-day refills for $5.99. Next up on our itinerary is the Lazy River. We just got off the rapids, now we're going on the Lazy River, and to be honest, this is the first time I've actually seen a line to get into a lazy river. Look at that line. People getting ready to go in. I'm assuming it's to get a raft. I also wanted to point out another great thing about Aquatica that Typhoon Lagoon for Disney and Adventure Island does not have. It's a sneaker keeper where you can store all of your footwear while you're waiting to get on a water ride. Take note, Disney and Adventure Island, take note. Loggerhead Lane. This is Aquatica's Lazy River. Anyone under 40 inches is recommended to wear a life vest. Looks like water depth maximum is 3 feet. Also cool about Aquatica, they have a sensory guide for touch, taste, hearing, smelling, and seeing. That there as well. We're about to step into the water, and it is nice and refreshing on this hot summer day at Aquatica in Central Florida. This is the week before our kids go back to school, so this is kind of like an end of the summer bash for us. We're just waiting for a tube. We're in the water, but look who I found. Lorelai. Lorelai's here. She's been in this lazy river with Skylar for quite some time, so we're gonna grab ourselves a tube. I'm gonna wait for a solo. I guess I could take a double. Why not? We've been down this one a few times. Like, how many times have you guys been through this already?
6.
I will say this does seem very short compared to some of the other ones that we've been on.
Like 4 times.
Oh, 4 times? Okay. And we're getting wet. I did it! Alright, I'm in a double tube and I'm just floating along.
Oh, we're going this way.
Oh, hold me! Oh, oh. So apparently there's a commerce and dolphin way and then a fish grotto. We're going to commerce and dolphin. Alright. There we go. Thank you, Skylar. And we're playing bumper. Playing bumper rafts. We're good now. And I think that's the Commerce and Dolphin slide, isn't it? Right up there?
Yeah. That's where we're going.
We're going to the fish grotto. Is Ariel here at the grotto? Oh wait, wrong franchise. Sorry, wrong park. There's no Ariel. It's not Disney. Sorry. We're going to the fish grotto this way. Yeah, alright, mate. So, oh, this is a very short way because it's bypassing all the water hogs where we were just at. So, it seems like, oh, there's the fish.
I like the rainbow.
Take a look at that.
Look at
That's a cleaner fish. That's so cool. So in case you guys aren't aware, apparently there's like an Australian theme running around Aquatica. Just the way the mates and mateys and yeah, just how they, well not mateys would be parties, but with mates like they did on the KareKare curl, the announcer speaking, but yeah. So that was Loggerhead Lane. Again, hopefully you enjoyed the commentary by my 2 friends that were with us, Skylar and Lorelai. Not sure we're gonna go on next, but let's go. We are back at the Banana Beach Cookout. Gonna grab some lunch now because we are hungry. They have ribs, burgers, pork sandwiches, a chicken salad, turkey caprese wrap, kids meals, assorted sides and desserts. I think we might go for the caprese wrap because it is a hot day outside and that sounds like something cool and refreshing to eat. You can actually mobile order as well, skip the line, just scan that QR code and order along the way. And then they have a separate line here where you can just pick up your food. You can actually get all-day dining deal You can eat as often as every 90 minutes, and you can get an entree, non-alcoholic beverage, and then a side or dessert for an adult, or a child entree with choice of chips or fruit with a drink as well. I believe it's like $44.99 plus tax, but if you're here all day and want to use that at different quick service locations to get a variety of food, save some money in the long run. If you eat about 2 or 3 meals, we've done it before, and it actually works out really well, especially with the way the prices are here at Aquatica. We are pass members here at Aquatica, as well as at SeaWorld, Busch Gardens, and Adventure Island. And one of the monthly benefits that you sometimes get, they offer $10 voucher coupon you can use towards food, merchandise, and things like that. It's a great deal considering the fact that sometimes that food can be a little pricey. Here is our meal. We got 2 turkey caprese wraps, which is roasted turkey breast with fresh mozzarella, roasted tomatoes, arugula, and pesto, and a tomato tortilla, served with, looks like house-made kettle chips. They were $13.99 a piece. At Silver Annual Pass members, we get our discount of $2.80. They do a 5% surcharge for some reason, total of $28.31, and we ended up using $30 worth of those beach bucks, leaving us with a change of $1.69, but you don't get change on those beach bucks. So now we're gonna go ahead and head back to our seats and give this food a try. We're gonna try one of these kettle chips. Looks like it's seasoned really well. As you would expect for kettle chips, it's got a nice crunch to it. This one is seasoned really well. It's very like a smoky seasoning, probably like a paprika, smoked paprika or something. Almost like a hint of barbecue. These are really, really good. Taking a look at these turkey caprese wraps, and Lorelai has been eating some of hers. How is it, Lorelai?
It's amazing. The tortilla is like tomato, and it's not too, it's not soggy. The cheese is perfect, and is it spinach?
It's arugula.
Arugula. The perfect texture to the tomato.
Perfect. Anthony over there, are you enjoying it? Yeah, he's good. And of course we're enjoying these kettle chips as well, and we got a little bit of Caesar dressing to go with a little dippy dip there if we wanted to. I'm gonna go ahead and try my half of the sandwich now. I put a little bit of Caesar dressing on that wrap. Now, I'm not normally a big fan of arugula, but with that Caesar dressing, it actually hides that peppery taste. That's all I pretty much got in that first bite, but I'm gonna try a bite of that cheese and turkey in there now. That mozzarella and the turkey go hand in hand really well together. And the tomato tortilla, like Lorelai said, it's not super soft, but it's soft enough to just hold the hold the filling. It's really good and nice on a hot summer day when you just want something cool and refreshing to eat. That paired with the kettle chips, it's a good option. It's also one of the least expensive options they had on there on the menu. If you saw that menu there, $13.99 for this, not bad. And then of course we used our discounts to get the 2 that we have, which we're sharing because that's what we do. After a great lunch, Anthony and I are going to go on Tassie's Twisters. This ride's over here. It's got a bit of a line, but that's okay. We just ate, so we're gonna wait anyway. We're at the top, Anthony.
Woo! I'm excited.
You ready for this?
Oh man.
Guys, from what I've seen, this looks go really fast.
Yeah, this looks like so much fun. I'm so excited. Woo!
All right, so there's 2 sides. I don't know which side's faster, but we're gonna go whichever side they give us.
Ready?
Set.
Go, 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 go! Here we go!
There we go. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
We go with the new world record, baby!
Oh no, go backwards.
Yeah!
Oh no!
Please, yeah!
Oh, one more. Oh, good. I'm gonna go again one more time. Let's do the last one.
Please tell me to go backwards. Please go backwards, please.
Go backwards. Nice and slow. Oh, there's a dip. There's a dip. And we're going backwards. Yeah! There we go! Oh, okay. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but that was pretty awesome. It was a short ride, but totally worth the wait. What did you think, Anthony?
That was amazing. It was so fast, and we went down backwards at the end. Oh man, I love this.
So while we were in line, there was a weather warning that there is inclement weather coming. Not sure if we're gonna get on another ride, but we're gonna go and find out. Before we left for the day, we did want to tell you about Walkabout Waters. They actually have a huge splash pad area. As you can see, it is packed today. I believe we're at capacity because, again, like I said before, this is like the last day of summer for many of the Central Florida kids because my kids, they go back to school on Thursday. So it has this really cool dump bucket. See if we can catch it. Our kids used to love coming here. And here's the dump bucket. It's about to go. There it goes. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, nice way to refresh on a hot day. So unfortunately, our day is going to have to come to an end due to the fact that inclement weather is approaching. However, we will be back at Aquatica to show you some more rides. Unfortunately, we didn't get to do a whole lot today, but hopefully you did learn about what Aquatica does have. As we said before, we do like this better than Adventure Island in Tampa. Aquatica has a lot more rides, we feel like, and it's just a lot more fun. If you want to see that video again, please go ahead and check out the description. Again, we do want to thank you for joining us on our incredible venture at Aquatica Orlando. If you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell to keep the fun going with more exciting videos and theme park adventures. And as always, have a great, big, beautiful day, and we will see you real soon.